Good morning, everyone. My name is Vijaya Vasundhara and I'm back with your English lesson. Today's topic is subject and predicate. Now, before we start today's topic, let me ask you something. Do you know him or maybe him? Do you like them? Yes, but why? Do you like them because Iron Man saved the universe? Wait, who saved the universe? Iron Man. Right. So, Iron Man is the doer, right? This whole sentence is about him. Is it not? And the sentence is telling what? The great deed of Iron Man, isn't it? But why I am talking about that? Let's see whether you can relate it to what I am going to teach you today or not. Let's start. In the previous video, we have already learned about what a sentence is and the types of sentences. Now let's learn about the parts of a sentence. All sentences have two parts, subject and predicate. A sentence always talks about something which could be a person, place, animal, or thing. In other words, a sentence tells us about a noun. Now let's try to understand what are subjects and predicates. First of all, let us know what is a subject. A part of a sentence that talks about a noun is the subject of the sentence. Now what is a predicate? The other part of the sentence that talks about the subject is the predicate of the sentence. Seems complicated, na? Let's try again. In other words, or rather simply, a subject is what or whom the sentence is about. He is the doer or she, and the predicate tells us something about the subject. Here are some examples for you. The first example is the children are enjoying in the park. Now the sentence is talking about the children. So the children is the subject of the sentence. And are enjoying in the park is telling us more about the subject. So it is the predicate. Next example. Sia and Ratri go to the same school. Now Sia and Ratri are two girls. Now they are the subject. Okay? Because the sentence is talking about these two girls, right? Now predicate is go to the same school, because it's telling us more about Sia and Ratri, that they go to the same school. Let's understand this better with a few more examples. Take a look. I want a new car. Subject is I. Predicate is want a new car. Megha is nice. Subject is Megha. Predicate is nice. Radha wrote the letter. Subject is Radha because she wrote the letter, right? Predicate is wrote the letter. Storm clouds are getting darker. Subject is the storm clouds. Predicate is are getting darker. Basically, anything that is not the subject is the predicate in the sentence. Now moving on, here is a practice exercise for you. Let's practice together. Let's find the subject and the predicate in the following sentences. The circle part is the subject and the part that is underlined is the predicate. Now the first sentence, Rishabh is a footballer. Rishabh is the subject here and the rest is predicate. Next sentence, the little tree was covered with snow. The little tree is the subject, rest is the predicate. My friends and I won the match. So my friends and I will be the subject and won the match will be the predicate, right? So if there are any connecting words or conjunction, they will be included in the subject, right? If they fall in between the two doers. Okay. So next one. There goes the teacher. The teacher is the subject and there goes is the predicate. On the way, I met an old beggar. Now I is the subject and the rest is the predicate. Now this shows that it's not necessary that the subject will always fall in the starting of the sentence. It can fall anywhere in the middle or in the end. Now here is an exercise for you to practice on your own. Let's see how much you have understood the lesson. Okay? Practice carefully. Do you remember these two from the beginning of the lesson? I hope now you can make the connection. So, Iron Man is the subject in the sentence and Save the Universe is the predicate in the sentence. Right. Now, I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay indoors and safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye. Take care of yourselves. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel for further notifications. And please mention your name and class section in the comment boxes while asking questions.